So you might be in a situation where for some reason Android 16 is not downloading or is not installing. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very big thing is to first make sure that your particular Android phone supports Android 16. Sometimes your phone that you're using does not support the latest version of Android. My Galaxy S21 right here does not support Android 16. So make sure your particular device that you're using does support Android 16, because if it doesn't, well, that's going to be kind of the main issue that you might run into there. Now, the other thing you might want to do is double check your internet connection. So double check your Wi-Fi, data connection, making sure all those things are set up properly inside of your phone, because that right there can also be a problem that some people may run into. If that's causing some problems, you might also want to go through and just make sure that within your particular Android phone, that your device, if it is supported, that it's already been released for your Android device. Sometimes your device may not have gotten that version of Android yet, so you might have to just wait it out a little bit and wait until it eventually comes out, and that could be another thing you might want to kind of see there as well. You might also just want to make sure you have enough storage saved on your device. So go through, make your way over into your Android settings app right here. You can kind of scroll down to your general management or storage options. Make sure you have enough storage saved on your device too, because that can also be another problem that you might run into as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.